Sometimes I wish that I could freeze the picture. School bag in hand.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Adora, aka the Cutie. If you're new on here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be showing us how I achieved these sleek edges, and you can actually customize this to your own doing. So this is like a DIY session, and I'm gonna be bringing you into the behind the scene of me making this beautiful and amazing potion where you can actually just regrow your edges while still having tamed edges. Okay, so every ingredient in this is all picked with intention and with love, and they are all my personal favorite when it comes to regrowing hair and all of that. So I hope you actually learn it, and I mean I can't complain. My hair is slaying and I'm happy about that. So come with me as I show you my behind the scene of making this edge tamer, which has slicked down my hair. I didn't use a ton because if you know me, I'm not really huge on trying to have perfect edges, but this is okay when you want to look cute in a hurry, and not so hurry, but in a hurry in the sense that you can actually store it in the fridge and continue to use it any other day. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, and if you are subscribed, just share, like, comment, and let me know what you would like to see next on my next video. So see you guys. Bye. Hi guys, so today I wanted to share with us a beautiful hair recipe, like a hair, more or less like a hair homemade DIY remoisturizing combo. It could be a gel, you could use it as a gel, you could use it as a leave-in, you could basically just do whatever you want. It's packed with so many very beneficial ingredients for our hair. So I'm actually just gonna take us through the process of getting it ready, and I would actually show you guys how I apply it, because my hair right now it's kind of dry and it could really use something. So in a pot or in a pan, let me bring out my ingredients. So I'm going to be using 4 to 5 ingredients, and all these are really basically very, very good for our hair. Keep this way. They're really very good for our hair. They are nourishing for the hair. Flaxseeds, the first ingredient is flaxseed, and that is the star of the show today. It's our major base. That's what would actually help to give the sliminess, in addition to the next ingredient I'm about to add. So I'm going to be using about 3 teaspoons of flax seeds. I don't want to make a ton, but then again, if you actually do make more, you just still store it in the fridge. So I'm also going to use 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are really very beneficial for our hair. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that our hair loves. The next thing is a herb, that's rosemary. Just put half a teaspoon. You can add more. I'm not really giving you like a formula. This is just a DIY. So with DIYs, there's not really like a set rule. So I'm going to add some water to the pan, roughly about a cup of water, and bring it to a boil. So I have two more ingredients that I'm going to add here, and not just for color, it's really moisturizing to our hair, but I also like the color it impacts, and that's hibiscus flower. I'm not trying to pack it on, so I'm just going to put like 4 to 5 dry leaves of hibiscus, and we're good to go. So I'm going to bring my last ingredients fresh from the farm. And anybody who knows me knows that I love this particular ingredient, and what's a DIY without it, really? So I'm actually, I want to just ensure that the one that's stuck to the base of the pan is unstuck. If I feel like I need a little more water, I would add. For now, I'd like to simmer this to boil while I grab my next ingredient, okay? Must have left for too long. Let me. That's the combo. Boiling. The flaxseed is beginning to bring out its gooey mess, and I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful sight. Yeah. So basically, we're going to be, next thing to do once it's ready is to sift this, and just, we're good to go. So I added in some aloe vera, diced aloe vera leaves, because you all know that I'm an aloe vera fan. I also love all the ingredients here. The hibiscus is not just impacting a beautiful color, but it's also going to ensure that the moisture is deeply penetrating the strands of our hair. Just love it. It's just a cocktail, a beautiful cocktail. And guess what? Everything in this pan is edible. So if you can also get it inward through your diet, that would be amazing. It's beginning to really thicken up. I don't know if you can see this. It's beginning to really thicken up. And I can let it stay on for a while, but I think at this point I'm going to sift it and let it cool. So what I want to do now is just to mash the aloe. Let me add a little bit more water. So give the aloe a little more time to infuse. I want to mash up the aloe. So I already sifted this, and this is what it's looking like. It's kind of cool already because I mean the AC is on here. So now the next thing we're going to do is to apply. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys in. First of all, let me put it into a bottle so that it will be really easy for me to dispense it in. I didn't make a lot. This is really, it's so pretty. The color is so beautiful. We're going to be using some water and some roof oil, and then we're going to get to application. Okay, let's get something that I don't necessarily care for. Okay, because this is light in color and I don't want to ruin it. The smell of rosemary is just all over the place. I like to go in with this treatment every time like I feel like my hair needs to pick me up, and right now I feel that way. I wouldn't want to get my hair super wet. One spritz and gently undo my twist. I'm not looking bad at all. So I'm rocking a twist out today. I'm gonna use this on my edges. So let me just use some oil. So for me, typically this is what hair day looks like. I could start off with one plan and it's not bad. I change my plan. I'm still gonna use my treatment, but I'll probably just keep it in the fridge for now and use it when it's time to pre-cool for wash. Since I've taken out my hair, I don't want to deal with Tango Republic. So I'm loving my curls, so I'm gonna use this to go out today. I'm gonna use the gel on my edges, just lay my edges. That's a multifunctional product you have right here.